an MTN user, then I want you to watch this video to the very end. In today's video, I will share with you how you can get free 50GB of data sent to you straight to your MTN number. Right here, guys, you can see proof that it has worked for me, and if you stay to the end of this video, I will share with you how you can also get your own. If you're not using MTN, you're using Glo, 9Mobile, or Airtel, then I want you to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to be sharing with you how you can also get your own free gigabyte data. So regardless of the network you're using, make sure to watch this video to the very end. Before we proceed, I'm sharing this with you for free, and it's very important that you go down and give this video a thumbs up. That is, like this video. Also, guys, make sure to drop a comment and tell me your name in the comment section. And finally, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you're not going to miss out on any of my updates. So without any further ado, let's go into details of this video. So guys, the first step is to come over to your App Store or your Play Store, and you want to tap on the search bar. Now guys, on the search bar, all you have to do right now, you can see search, tap on it right here, and guys, you need to search for the MTN app. Alright, now guys, tap on it right here and wait for it to load up. Now guys, it's going to load up and you can see my MTN NG app. Now guys, all you have to do is to download it to your mobile phone right here. Be patient. So guys, after downloading, all you have to do right now is to tap on this open in order for you to be able to open this app right here. And guys, right now you're going to come over to this interface. Now once you come over to this interface, all you have to do right now is to tap on let's get started right here. Then guys, all you have to do right now is to tap on sign in with Google because you're going to continue with your email. Then guys, all you have to do right now is to put in the email address that you want to use to sign in. Then guys, all you have to do right now is to input your password right here. So guys, all you have to do right now is tap on continue in order for us to sign in. So guys, it's going to take you to this page, and guys, right here, all you have to do right now is just to read through this and scroll down to the bottom page, and guys, you can just click on I agree. Now guys, right here you're gonna see what is your nickname. You can just put in your username, right, or you can choose in the name you want to use. Let's say for example I want to use Divine. I can just use my name right here. I can click on continue. So it's going to take you to this page. All you have to do is to click on continue right here. Now guys, it's going to take you to this interface. All you have to do right now is just tap on X and remove this pop-up. Then guys, what I want you to do right now is to navigate to the more button below right here. Tap on this more button. Then guys, all I want you to do right now is tap on logout. Now guys, tap on this button that says logout so you can actually log out of this app. Then click on yes. Now guys, I want you to follow me step by step as I'm sharing with you how you can actually do these things, and also you don't get to make any mistakes making you to miss out on this offer. Now the next thing you're going to do is to log in back into this app. Now in order for us to do that, all you have to do is to click on let's get started right here. And this time guys, we're not going to be signing in with Google, we are going to be signing in with our phone number. So all you have to do right now is to tap on continue with phone number. Then guys, all you have to do right now is to input your MTN mobile number. So let's do that right now. So guys, all you have to do right now is to click on continue. So guys, a code is going to be sent to you. So all you have to do right now is to wait till you get that code and input it right here. So guys, it's going to take you to this page right here. All you have to do right now is just to read the terms and policies. And guys, once you're done reading this, you can click on I agree. And also guys, they're going to ask you to enter your nickname again right here. So guys, you can see I just put Divine right here. I'm going to tap on continue. Then guys, once you come over to the second phase, now all you have to do is to click on I will do it later right here. Now wait for it to load up. So guys, I'm gonna tap on X on this pop-up right here, and boom guys, you can see you have been offered 50GB free data. All right, so guys, all we have to do right now is to click on activate. Now in order for us to activate this free gigabyte data, click on activate. So my other free family, you can see that if you follow through all the steps, it is easy for you to actually activate it. But here's another thing, this lasts for only 24 hours. So the day you want to activate it, make sure that you have loads of work that you want to do before just activating it, so you can use it to your own satisfaction. Now if you know you're not an MTN user, maybe you're an Airtel, Glo, or 9Mobile user, and you want me to create a video where you can claim your own free data, go in the comment section and notify me, then I'm going to be making a video just for you. And my awesome YouTube family, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on so YouTube can notify you whenever I drop amazing updates. Guys, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Stay winning. Coach Divine loves you. A big cheers. Bye bye.